have the LaundryNatural Arm & Hammer Power Sheets and the earthbreeze Laundry Detergent. If you're not familiar with laundry sheets, all of them are eco-friendly. You don't have the giant plastic tubs that you are going through. All of the laundry sheets disintegrate when it's being washed, and then the packaging can all be recycled. No more mess, there's no more spills, there's no more sticky fingers in the laundry room. That's one major benefit to any of these. First of all, you can see that they're all really different sizes. These are really thin. This is more of a box, although it is smaller. And the LaundryNatural comes with 51 sheets, Arm & Hammer comes with 50 sheets, and earthbreeze comes 30 sheets. And both of these say to use a half sheet for a medium load and 1 sheet for a large load. And the Arm & Hammer, you do a half sheet for a small load, a full sheet for a medium load, and then 2 sheets for a large load. So even though this comes with 51 sheets and this one comes with 50, you're actually gonna be using more of these to do your laundry than these because you can actually tear them in half. Now, the next major thing is smell, and all of these do have sort of a fresh scent to it. So the LaundryNatural smells really nice. It's a very soft scent. It's not very overpowering, so I do like this one a lot. The Arm & Hammer, it's really strong. I'm someone who's really sensitive to strong scents like this, so this one's not my favorite. The scent itself is fine, it's very strong. For the earthbreeze, it does have a little bit of a smell that's really nice, but it is very, very faint. And I did do a load of laundry with each one of these sheets, and the post-scent smell was kind of non-existent for all of them. None of them really carried their scent over. My clothes did still look clean, feel clean, and felt like they had been washed. The other thing you get with the LaundryNatural is a nice travel bag essential. So if you're going out of town for a week or a weekend or something like that, you can actually just put your sheets in here and you can take it with you on the road so that you can do laundry while you're traveling. And it even has instructions on the back on how to wash your clothes in the sink with the laundry detergent sheets. So if I had to pick my favorite right now, LaundryNatural would probably be in the lead just a little bit, just purely based on the fact that you get the most bang for your buck, getting 51 sheets and 102 medium loads out of just one packaging. I also like that it comes with a little travel bag essential, and the scent is really nice on this one. Arm & Hammer is just a little too strong for me. I just feel like the smell would like permeate through my laundry room, and I really don't enjoy the smell, and this one is way too strong. And earthbreeze is nice, but I do think that only getting 30 sheets just makes this one a little bit better of a purchase than this one. So the winner here, just by a hair, is gonna be LaundryNatural for me.